हेलो एवरीवन। हम अपनी रिवीजन क्लासेस में हम अपनी लास्ट क्लास में हमने डिस्कस किया था की हैंडलिंग्स और मेल एंड मैसेजेस हैंडलिंग ऑफ द गेस्ट वाइल स्टेइंग एट योर होटल। और अब हमें डिस्कस करना है कंप्लेंट हैंडलिंग्स। कंप्लेंट हैंडलिंग इज यू जस्ट नीड टू फॉलो 4 simple steps to handle the guest complaints. First is listen. You have to listen the problem of the guest carefully. Then you have to empathize for the problem that they have faced during their stay. Then you need to apologize to the guest for the inconvenience that has happened with the guest. Then you need to take the actions, corrective actions to solve the guest problems or the queries. And then you need to take the follow up whether you have taken corrective actions on timely basis or not. There are few guest complaints in hotel industry nowadays are very well related to that is Wi-Fi related complaints are very common nowadays. Attitudes and behavior of the staff, cancellation and refund, dissatisfaction is due to misrepresentation and extra charges. There are some few basic tips you need to follow while handling a guest. That there are some points which we will going to discuss now. Listen with concern and empathy. Isolate the guest if possible so that the other guest won't overhear. Stay calm. Do not argue with the guest. Be aware of the guest's self-esteem. Show a personal interest in the problem. Try to use the guest name frequently. Give the guest your undivided attention. Concentrate on the problem, no on placing blame. Do not insult the guest. Take notes, write down the key facts, saves time. It's if someone else must get involved also. Guest tends to slow down when they see the front desk agent trying to write down the issue. Tell the guest what can be the best done. Offer choices. Don't promise the impossible and do not exceed your authority. Set an approximate time for completion of corrective actions. Be specific but do not underestimate the amount of time it will take to resolve the problem. Monitor the progress of the corrective actions. Follow up even if the complaint was resolved by someone else. Contact the guest to ensure that the problem was solved satisfactorily. Then we consider guest complaints as a gifts from guests. Unhappy guests often do complaints but never come back to the hotel and takes other 250 approx guests with them. If you get a complaint, if a guest is complaining about something, that means he wants solution, and if you solve his problem, he will surely come back to your property. With guest complaints, we can improve our standard of service and we can correct our mistakes. So complaints are for our betterment. Always take feedback from the guest and try to solve problem at the spot, because unhappy guest will never come back and will do negative publicity by mouth or social media. You need to make your guest feel valued at every point of time. You need to respond to their problems with patience and understanding. Anyone who has had to call to talk to customer services know how painful it is when your problem is treated as burdensome or stupid. As a work in the hospitality industry, many of you have been trained on the situations may frequently arise and how to handle them. Whether the problem you have faced with is one you solve the problem, some other good comforting words would be do not worry. These are the some comforting words which you can use while handling a guest complaint, like do not worry, this has happened before, you are not alone, I am here to help you and we will get this fixed in no time. I am so sorry for the inconvenience and I am happy to work this out with you. Whether your customer is apologetic in nature or frustrated, these will ease your anxiety and help everyone involved move forward with more comfort and ease. Then you need to maintain the guest history. What all you need to record is no limits of how long to keep how long to keep the guest name and information, complete address data including various telephone numbers, passport type of guest, etc., automatic country code lookup, automatic postal code lookup, date of birth, name and gender of up 9 family members, second nationality, different credit cards, non-smoker, vegetarian, VIP code, rag color code, blacklist, and up to 10 different guest codes, swimmer, tennis, golf, chess, winter guests, etc. These all guest history you need to record at your PMS. Private comments, business comments, and for each stay, total amount of spent for room, packages, F&B, extra, etc. Also the room type, room number, room price, number of adults and children, you need to maintain the record of this also. Summary of the above of each year, selective mailing and export functions, choice of guests related to food and room.